In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 2.4, class 9, subject maths, complex numbers. In this lecture, we will learn how we can apply here laws of exponents. So first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos, and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So first of all, we will start question number 3 of class 9, subject maths, complex numbers. So first of all, you have to make the factor of 216. 2 1 the 2, 2 0 the 0 and 2 8 the 16. जब फर्स्ट डिजिट पूरा पूरा डिवाइड हो जाए और नेक्स्ट टू डिजिट्स कंबाइन करना पड़े तो फिर सेंटर में आप 0 लगाते हैं. आपको कोई चीज़ मुश्किल लगे तो आप 216 को 2 पे डिवाइड करके भी कैलकुलेटर से चेक कर सकते हैं. 2 5 द 10, 2 4 द 2 2 द 4, 2 7 द 14, 3 9 द 27, 3 3 द 9 एंड 3 1 द 3. ठीक हो गया. आप ये भी फैक्टर्स ले सकते हैं. आप इसको 216 को 6 के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. 6 3 द 18, 19 20 21, 6 6 द 36, 6 6 द 36 एंड 6 1 द 6. ये दोनों तरह से आप फैक्टर्स ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. आप इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं, आप इस तरह भी. मैं 6 के साथ आपको फैक्टर्स लेके बताती हूँ. ठीक हो गया. अब यहाँ पे आप चेक करें. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6, 2 by 3 makes the factors of 25. 5 multiplied by 5 whole power 1 by 2. Now you have to remove the point here 4. You have to put 1 in place of point and after point count how many digits. 2 digits here, so you have to put 2 0 minus 1 by 2. Now 4 1 the 4, 4 20 time 100, 4 25 time 100. ठीक हो गया. Now 6 raised to power 3 and whole power 2 by 3. Now 5 raised to power 2 whole power 1 by 2. 2 cancel with 2, 3 cancel with 3. Now 1 by 25 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Its power is negative, so you have to convert into positive. So you can take here reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So 6 raised to power 2 multiply by 5 raised to power 1. Now you can take its reciprocal 25 by 1, so its power will be positive. ठीक हो गए. ये पॉइंट आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Now 6 raised to power 2 multiply by 5 divided by makes the factors of 25. 5 raised to power 2 multiply by 1 by 2. 2 cancel with 2. Now it will be equals to 6 square multiply by 5 divided by 5 whole under root. 5 cancel with 5. Now 6 square. You know that the value of under root is 1 by 2. So 6 square whole power 1 by 2. आप इस तरह भी कट कर सकते हैं. तो so its answer equals to 6. That is the answer. Now we will revise laws of exponents here. In previous lecture I have also told about laws of exponents. Exponent means power, that is base. A is base, power is m. So a raised to power m dot means multiply a raised to power n equals to. So when bases are same and are going to multiply, then powers will be add m plus n. Now when bases are same and are going to divide here, then powers will subtract. Now a b whole power n, when you will open the bracket, then both a and b get same power n and n. A raised to power 0 equals to 1. Now a raised to power m multiply by, bracket means multiply here, then powers will be multiply here. Now a by b whole power n, when you will open the bracket, then separately power written here. A raised to power minus n, power is negative. When you will change negative into positive, so you have to take reciprocal. So it becomes 1 by a raised to power n. So यही laws of exponents हमने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किए हैं और आगे नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट भी हम इससे करेंगे. So let's see. That was the second part of question number 3. Now we'll start its third part. So its third part is 5 raised to power 2 whole power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 2 bracket 3. That was the third part of exercise 2.4 class 9 subject maths. So check that 2 raised to power 3, it means 2 is the base of this. So it means power tells us that this number how many times written here. So 5 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 3, it means it will be written here 3 टाइम. डायरेक्ट भी आप लिख सकते हैं. एंड ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. अभी मैंने आपको लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट भी रिवाइज करवाए हैं. 5 raised to power 6, it becomes 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So when bases are same, you can write here laws of exponent here, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. आप इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. then powers will be subtract here. So you can write here 5, 8 minus 6, so 5 raised to power 2, so 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. That is the answer. So I hope you have understand this question number 3, and having two parts, second and third part. Second part is important for the point of view of long queues, and third part, this will be important for short questions. So I hope you have understand this concept. So subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also share videos with your friends, and click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.